Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to free up storage space after upgrading to Windows 11. In this video I show you guys how to free up some space. All you have to do is go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the drive you want to clean up and select OK. And now you just need to select clean up system files and select the drive. Calculating. Disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free up on this drive. This may take few minutes to complete. Now you just need to make sure everything is check marked over here. After check marking it, you can able to see you can use disk cleanup to free up 326 MB of disk space. In my case 326 MB only. Why I'm getting this much lower MB means I will do it once a week. That's why I'm getting this much MPs only. You definitely be get a GB size of free space on your drive guys, and you just need to select this OK option to delete these files. These are temporary files only, you can delete without any issues. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Don't be panic of deleting these files guys. We have cleared 362 MB space guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.